This is what's really happening inside an AI agent. The loop nobody shows you. Stay till the end. At the center is the model. On its own, it can only think. It can't touch anything. So you wire in tools. Now every thought can fire a real action. Search, run code, send. The beams are live calls. The trick nobody explains, it runs in a loop. Think, act, observe the result, decide again. That loop is the whole agent. And the catch, with no stop rule, the loop never ends. It just keeps thinking, acting, and burning tokens. Watch the counter climb. Add one rule, stop when the goal's done, and it's an agent, not a money pit. Full breakdowns free below.